Convert 10110111 base 2 to octal. So for us to do this, we are going to group these binary bits into threes. So the first group will be 1, 2, 3. The second group 1, 2, 3. And then the last group is there. So the first group is going to be 0, 1, 1. The next group is 1, 0, 1. The other group is 1, 0, 1. So the next step would be to convert each group to decimal. So we do that by multiplying each bit by base 2. So we're going to have 1 times 2 power 0 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 0 times 2 power 2. Then this will be 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That is 0 plus 2 plus 1, which is just equal to 3. Then here we're going to have 1 times 2 power 0 plus 0 times 2 1 plus 1 times 2 power 2. That is 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That is 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is just equal to 5. Then we do the same with this. That is 1 times 2 power 0 plus 0 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 2. So that is 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That is 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. Then the next step would be to just combine these three into one number so that we have 5, 5, 3, base 8.